SBET stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sharplink Gaming, it's already good, you know, 6% up. It's $6, 60% up. So yeah, it's not just 6% up, it's 60, my bad. And when I look at this, I don't know if there's some my previous drawings on that. When I look back, we've had like a reverse split, so everything is has kind of shifted. Looking at it from a daily and weekly chart, yeah, I like how we're pumping up and everything, but the real bullishness for me at least is going to come if we start breaking above 820. I'm not currently there, which is fine, you know. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be here just randomly selling or doing whatever, right? I'm just being honest with you, and the only thing that will matter to me is if I see some sort of a shift and a double break. And if that does not quite happen, then I guess I'm not going to quite sell. And again, I don't know about you, but I would rather my rules be met, because I've tested them for 40,000 videos. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, then click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.